Hello friends, in this video we will learn about two things of PowerShell. The first one is help, like how to take help, and the second one is aliases. Help and alias. These two things we will learn in this video. So let's open PowerShell. You can change the fonts and font size using the same way we do in a command prompt. Like click on this button, like the blue PowerShell one, and then properties. Then here you can change the font size and the font style. Even you can change the layouts, colors, terminal size, anything. Okay, so this is the basic command to clear screen. First of all, you need to update your help, and the shortcut to complete all the commands are like, if you don't remember the spelling, like what is the spelling of update, then you can just write up ep and then tab, press the tab button to complete the command update help. It will autofill the command. It will take about few minutes to update all the modules. You can see here all the modules are updating. And the second thing is aliases. So let's check what is alias. So alias is an alternate name for a Camlet function executable file and including scripts. Now Camlet is something like a combination of commands and the functions, like inbuilt commands of PowerShell environment. You can see here that a Camlet is a lightweight command that is used in PowerShell environment. So short form of the Camlet function or executable file is aliases. PowerShell includes a set of built-in aliases. I will show you the command to show all the aliases which are inbuilt in PowerShell. So here we can see that our help is almost updated. Yeah, and obviously you will get some errors too, so don't worry about those errors. So let's see help command. Get dash help, and if you press the tab it will complete the command. If you didn't complete it, then press the tab, otherwise you can just write get dash help. And if you want to see what is ps command, right, then it will show you that ps is for the get process, and then the syntax of that particular command. And here you can see this is the alias for the command. Actual command is get process. Like if you write get process, and the output you are getting, and if you write the just ps, both are same, because ps is a alias for get process, right? Okay, so this is how you take the help, like get dash help cls. Then it will show that it will clear the host, it will show the syntax, it will show the description of the particular command. And you can get some examples like get help, get process, and dash examples, then it will give you the example of particular command. And let's see about the aliases. So how to get this? If you write the spelling wrong and then press tab, it's not gonna work. So you're gonna write little bit spelling, but it has to be correct. So get alias, and this is all are the aliases for PowerShell. Like modulo is for the for each object, cd to set location, clc to clear content, clear for clear host, and these all are the different aliases for different inbuilt objects and the inbuilt camlets or even inbuilt functions. Even if you can create your own alias, like if you want to write something else for the copy item, then you can set something else. Here you can see there are 3 aliases to particular one command, which is copy item, like copy, cp and cpi. You can create your own like cip or cop, anything like that. So in my next video I will show you how to create your own alias for PowerShell for your script, obviously. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, and if you have any question you can give a comment. So I will see your question and try to solve it and try to create one video on your questions. Thank you for watching.